I better get ready to stop you.
No, it's okay, watch. Let's watch. Okay, ready? Okay, ready?
Hey, Mom, go!
Set. No, she's okay, she's okay.
He's getting ready to drop in on the little sled. This thing's gonna be super fast. This is the big downhill. You drop down into a nice ramp at the bottom. Then this one over here is a little more mild, but you still got to buff towards the bottom.
Man, that looks like it belongs at the X Games, guys.
It does. Brewdog, are you excited about today's performance? Hey, are you excited about today's performance? Okay, are you gonna go big? Brewdog, are you gonna go big?
Brandon, are you ready to go on your sled?
Are you gonna
Down
send
the
it?
little hill first. Brandon, you ready?
Okay, ready? Set.
Brandon, what do you think?
That's pretty steep right there, isn't it, Taylor? Thanks for doing that, Shelby.
Oh, yeah.
Family day of sledding in the backyard. How sweet is that? baby girl.
That tailwheel's kind of a little bit off. Hey babe, how do you think this one's gonna be?
Let's see. Send it.
Starts right here and I got a little ramp halfway down.
Okay. Oh my gosh. That might be hard landing right there.
You can cover up that concrete edge right there. Get ready to drop in, look.
Oh God. Okay, go.
You gotta use what you got in your yard.
Oh shoot, I got your phone, babe. Sorry, I didn't know it was in your back pocket.
Of course, we love motocross and dirt bikes and action sports, so naturally we're gonna carve out some ramps for the grandkids.
Sorry.
Oh, you won't be scared of me. Come on, baby.
He's not sure about the full test.
You did it! Up here! Up top! High five! You did it! Say, look at Papa D and say, I did it!
Yeah. This is one way of doing it. Get me out of this damn death machine.